Welcome to the in front of me BLACKVIEW A70, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first, let's launch the settings application, and after that tap here on the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see the media, ringtone and alarm volume panels. Just to change them, we should slide these dots to the left or to the right side with our finger. Here you can also set the vibration for calls, never, always, or just when then ring gradually. We can turn on or turn off the don't disturb mode. We can just use turn on or turn off the shortcut to prevent ringing. We can switch the ringtone. This device have two SIM slots, so you can set two different ringtones to each of the SIM cards. Also, we can change the notification and alarm sounds here, and in advanced settings we also have the features to turn on or turn off the dial button, screen lock, unlock sounds, charging sounds and vibration, touch sounds and touch vibration. So all of them you can just enable or disable by click on each of the switchers. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.